Imagine buying a brand new iPad in 2026, opening the box, turning on the screen, and instantly feeling like Apple held something back on purpose. That is the exact split-second emotion everyone is talking about with the upcoming iPad Mini 8. On paper, this small tablet is setting up to be an absolute dream machine, but Apple might be planning one single compromise that could break the whole deal for millions of fans. For years, the iPad mini has been the ultimate pocket-sized setup. It is lightweight, fits effortlessly in one hand and goes anywhere you go. People love this size and Apple knows it. That is why reports suggest the iPad mini 8 will keep the exact same compact body everyone adores, but completely overhaul what happens under the hood. The biggest headline starts with raw horsepower. Rumors indicate Apple is dropping the power-packed A19 Pro chip into this tiny frame. Think about that for a second. Putting a flagship Pro chip into a compact tablet changes everything. Apps will launch instantly. Heavy graphics games will run flawlessly. You could edit high-resolution photos, draw detailed digital art, or even work on video timelines directly on a screen you can hold in one hand. Even for casual browsing and reading, the entire system will feel ridiculously fast for years to come. Then comes the upgrade everyone has been begging for, the screen. Apple is expected to finally ditch the old LCD panel and replace it with a stunning OLED display. This is a massive jump in visual quality. OLED gives you deep, true blacks instead of washed-out grays, punchy colors, and amazing dynamic range. Watching movies late at night, streaming videos, or reading digital comics will look breathtaking on a screen this compact. So a powerhouse A19 Pro chip paired with a brilliant OLED screen sounds like an easy home run, right? Well, here is where the catch comes in. Leaks point out that Apple might stick to a standard 60Hz refresh rate, no ProMotion, and not even a modest 90Hz upgrade. In today's market, 60Hz on a premium screen feels noticeably dated. Refresh rate determines how smooth every touch, swipe, and scroll looks. Once your eyes get used to high refresh rate displays on modern smartphones, going back to 60Hz feels jarring. Scrolling through social feeds or web pages feels slightly sluggish, and using an Apple Pencil loses a bit of that instant ink on paper feeling. Why would Apple do this? It comes down to classic product strategy. Apple wants clear boundaries between its basic and Pro devices. If the Mini gets OLED, the top chip, and ProMotion, it starts stealing buyers away from the costlier iPad Air and iPad Pro. On top of that, driving higher refresh rates in a small body takes a toll on battery life and thermals. Sticking to 68Z helps Apple protect battery performance and keep the device cool under pressure. However, Apple might make up for the screen speed with a surprise durability feature. The iPad Mini 8 is rumored to feature official water resistance for the first time ever on an iPad. That means you can use it in the kitchen while cooking, carry it around the pool, or use it outdoors without constant worry. To pull this off without compromising audio, Apple might even use full chassis vibrations for sound instead of traditional speaker grills. When it comes to release date and pricing, current leaks suggest an autumn 2026 launch. While price bumps are possible due to OLED and the A19 Pro chip, Apple needs to keep it reasonably priced so it does not clash directly with the iPad Air. In my honest opinion, the iPad Mini 8 will still be the absolute king of small tablets thanks to its raw speed, OLED screen, and incredible portability. But staying locked at 60Hz is a stubborn move that keeps a great tablet from being completely perfect. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.